Afternoon, YouTube. Mark Schumate here. We are downtown Dumaguete. We are working on the motorcycle right now. We're getting it all taken care of. We're at this ratty parts. This is where I bought my new tire today. So we are having it all put on here. They got Pirelli tires here. They're an authorized dealer. They got quite a few in stock. They got some here in front, but they got a whole bunch in back, I guess, with what the guy told me. So I come here and got my tires today. Nice Yamaha there. Boy, look at the size of that Pirelli tire. That is one big tire. My God. Nice Yamaha. It's like a 750, but it's a 750. Looks really nice. Got twin cylinders. It's 750. Yeah, it's a nice bike. But they got all the Pirelli tires here. So this is where I come today and got my motorcycle all taken care of. So these guys do a lot of business here. So they are working on the bike right now, trying to get it all taken care of. But there's my new tire. But we're getting it all taken care of here. They do a lot of work here. Putting a new battery in, new sprocket, new chain, new tire, new throttle cable, new clutch cable. Had all new wheel bearings replaced and repacked. Someone stole my air breather off my Racer X carburetor the other day, so I'm having it all replaced. But I just thought I'd make a little video this morning, getting everything replaced. They got a parade downtown again today, from what I understand. But it's a good place to come. If we need motorcycle parts, they get everything here. So, if you guys looking for motorcycle parts, this is a very good place to come. It's right downtown on the National Highway here. I'm not sure of the address. But they got just about everything. If they don't have it, they could order it and get it in just a matter of 2 or 3 days. They got another business on the other side of town, I guess. Another one of these. But this place has it all. I like coming here. They got all the parts for my Rusi. So that's a good thing. But here's my old tire. That thing was wore out completely. It's wearing funny because the wheel bearings were bad. So I replaced all the wheel bearings, got it all taken care of. So we are good now. As soon as they get done with untaking it and have it washed, we got to go to back home today. They got a muffler shop over there. I'm gonna go over and talk to them about doing an upswept pipe. See if we could get an upswept pipe put in that thing. I'm gonna get rid of that lower swept pipe. I don't like that thing. I want something upper tucked in there. It looks like I can get one in there just looking at it. That's what I'm thinking about going with. That lower pipe, I've been burned so many times on my leg. I'm basically had it with it. So we're going to do something a little different with it. There's my old throttle cable. He just got out. New throttle cable, new clutch cable, air breather. Yeah, they got a lot of mechanics here. These guys are really good mechanics too. Checking out the brakes. Looks like they just did a brake job on it. Dental care. Dental clinic. Dental care. Got the bank right here. What is that? SG Bank. Rural Bank. Negros. This is a one-way street coming down here. Down 2 blocks, the street goes the other direction. So they kind of split the national highway up right here. But anyway, guys, I just thought I'd make a quick video here this morning. Try to get it downloaded today. So I'm hoping to be on the road here in the next hour. So you guys please subscribe to my channel. I will show you Dumaguete. We're gonna go to Bacombe here a little bit, so I'm gonna make another video. So you guys have a wonderful day.